For the first time in over half a century, humans are traveling farther from Earth than ever before. And what they're seeing is rewriting how we view our planet. Just minutes into their journey, NASA astronauts captured images so sharp, so detailed, they're already being compared to and even surpassing the iconic Apollo era. But this mission is not just about breathtaking photos. It's about something much bigger. On April 1st, 2026, 4 astronauts lifted off from Kennedy Space Center aboard NASA's Orion spacecraft, marking a defining moment in modern space exploration. Commander Reid Wiseman, pilot Victor Glover, mission specialist Christina Koch, and Canadian astronaut Jeremy Hansen are now on a 10-day journey that could shape the future of human space travel. This is the Artemis program's first crewed deep space mission, and it is already making history. Within minutes of launch, Wiseman began capturing images of Earth, but these were not ordinary space photos. Using multiple exposures taken seconds apart, he managed to reveal something never seen before, with this level of clarity: a glowing Earth where city lights shimmer alongside bright daytime landscapes. The result is surreal. You can see continents, oceans, and cloud systems in daylight, while at the same time, city lights pulse across the dark side of the planet. It's a level of detail that even Apollo 17, the last mission to carry humans beyond low Earth orbit in 1972, could not achieve. And that comparison matters, because this mission is not just continuing history, it is surpassing it. As the spacecraft moves farther away, Earth is no longer the dominant presence in the window. It is shrinking, becoming smaller, more fragile, more distant. And that shift is psychological as much as it is physical. For Christina Koch, this mission marks another milestone. She has now become the woman who has traveled farther from Earth than anyone in history. It's a powerful moment, not just for representation, but for the evolution of human exploration. Inside the Orion spacecraft, operations have been smooth and precise. The crew is conducting trajectory correction burns, managing onboard systems, and preparing for what could be the most critical phase of the mission: the lunar flyby. Scheduled for April 6th, the spacecraft will swing around the moon, using its gravity to propel the crew back toward Earth. This maneuver is more than just a scenic loop. It is a full systems test for future missions that aim to land humans back on the moon and eventually push toward Mars. Every move right now is being watched closely, because Artemis is not just a mission, it is a proving ground, a test of technology, a test of human endurance, and a test of whether deep space travel can become routine once again. But beyond the data and engineering, there is something else happening. Perspective. From this distance, borders disappear, conflicts seem smaller, and Earth looks unified, one planet suspended in darkness. That image, more than any technical achievement, may be the mission's most powerful outcome, because it reminds us what is at stake and what is possible. As the Artemis crew continues its journey toward the moon, one thing is already clear. This mission is not just about going farther. It's about seeing differently. And what humanity does with that new perspective may define the next era of exploration.